Introduction. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the conversation around artificial intelligence and its impact on the job market has never been more crucial. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force that is reshaping industries and redefining the nature of work itself. From automation in manufacturing to intelligent algorithms in customer service, AI is poised to take over tasks that were once the domain of human workers. This shift raises important questions. What jobs will be lost? Which new roles will emerge? Engaging with this topic is essential, as understanding AI's capabilities can help us navigate the future of employment. The advancements in AI technology are happening at an unprecedented pace, and it's vital for both employees and employers to grasp how these changes will affect the workforce. By exploring the implications of AI on job security, skill requirements, and economic structures, we can better prepare ourselves for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of AI and its potential to revolutionize the job market, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to thrive in this new era of work. The rise of automation. Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, and it's rapidly transforming industries across the globe. From manufacturing to healthcare, automation is streamlining processes, enhancing productivity, and reducing operational costs. Current applications include robotic assembly lines, automated customer service chatbots, and AI-driven data analysis, all designed to improve efficiency and accuracy. Industries such as automotive manufacturing, logistics, and retail are heavily investing in automation technologies. For instance, companies like Tesla are utilizing advanced robotics to assemble vehicles, while Amazon employs automated systems in its warehouses to optimize inventory management and order fulfillment. These investments not only boost productivity but also allow businesses to scale operations more effectively. However, the rise of automation brings with it the potential for job displacement. As machines take over repetitive and routine tasks, many traditional roles may become obsolete. While automation can create new job opportunities in tech and maintenance, the transition may leave some workers struggling to adapt. Understanding this shift is crucial, as it highlights the need for reskilling and upskilling to prepare for a future where human roles will increasingly complement automated systems rather than compete with them. AI advancements in technology. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence technology are reshaping job functions across various sectors, leading to a profound transformation in how work is conducted. Key AI technologies, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, are at the forefront of this change. These innovations enable machines to understand human language, interpret visual data, and perform complex tasks, making them invaluable in today's workforce. Machine learning and data analysis play a pivotal role in job automation. By analyzing vast amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions, allowing businesses to automate decision-making processes. This capability not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces the likelihood of human error, leading to more accurate outcomes in fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing. Several AI tools are currently making waves in various sectors. For example, chatbots powered by AI are revolutionizing customer service by providing instant support and resolving queries without human intervention. In healthcare, AI-driven diagnostic tools assist doctors in identifying diseases more accurately and swiftly. Similarly, in manufacturing, predictive maintenance systems help prevent equipment failures by analyzing performance data. As these technologies continue to evolve, their implications for job functions and the overall workforce will be significant, necessitating a proactive approach to adaptation and reskilling. Job sectors. Most affected. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, certain job sectors are likely to experience significant impacts. Industries such as manufacturing, retail, and customer service are at the forefront of this transformation. In manufacturing, automation technologies are increasingly taking over tasks like assembly line work and quality control, putting jobs such as machine operators and assembly workers at risk. In the retail sector, the rise of e-commerce and AI-driven inventory management systems is changing the landscape. Positions like cashiers and stock clerks may face displacement as self-checkout systems and automated restocking solutions become more prevalent. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 30% of jobs in retail could be automated by 2030, highlighting the urgency for workers to adapt. Customer service is another area heavily impacted by AI advancements. Chatbots and virtual assistants are now capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries, which could threaten jobs like customer service representatives and support agents. A study by Gartner predicts that by 2025, 75% of customer service interactions will be powered by AI, further emphasizing the need for workers to develop new skills to remain relevant in the evolving job market. Understanding these trends is crucial for both employees and employers as they navigate the future of work. The future workforce. As artificial intelligence continues to integrate into various industries, the workforce will inevitably evolve to meet new demands. One of the most critical concepts in this transition is upskilling and reskilling. Workers will need to enhance their existing skills or acquire new ones to stay relevant in a job market increasingly influenced by AI technologies. This proactive approach not only helps individuals secure their positions, but also empowers organizations to harness the full potential of AI. Adaptability will be paramount in this changing job landscape. Employees who can quickly learn and adjust to new technologies will have a competitive edge. The ability to pivot and embrace change will be essential as traditional roles evolve or become obsolete. New job roles are already emerging as a direct result of AI integration. For instance, data analysts and AI trainers are in high demand as companies seek professionals who can interpret data and train AI systems to perform specific tasks. Additionally, roles such as AI ethicists are gaining traction, focusing on the ethical implications of AI deployment. As we look to the future, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability will be crucial for both individuals and organizations to thrive in an AI-driven world. Ethical considerations. As artificial intelligence continues to replace human jobs, the ethical implications of this shift cannot be overlooked. Companies implementing AI technologies bear a moral responsibility to consider the consequences of their decisions. While automation can lead to increased efficiency and profitability, it also raises questions about the welfare of employees who may lose their jobs. Businesses must weigh the benefits of AI against the potential harm to their workforce and society at large. The societal impact of job loss due to automation is profound. Communities may face economic challenges as individuals struggle to find new employment opportunities. This can lead to increased inequality and social unrest, as those displaced by technology may not have the resources or skills to transition into new roles. It is essential for companies to engage in responsible practices, such as providing retraining programs and support for affected workers. Encouraging a dialogue on balancing technology and human employment is crucial. Stakeholders, including businesses, policymakers, and communities, must collaborate to create frameworks that prioritize both innovation and job security. By fostering discussions around ethical AI implementation, we can work towards a future where technology enhances human capabilities rather than replaces them, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably across society. Conclusion. In summary, the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs is a multifaceted issue that requires our attention. We've explored how automation is transforming industries like manufacturing, retail, and customer service, leading to significant job displacement. The rise of AI technologies necessitates a focus on upskilling and reskilling, as adaptability becomes essential in the evolving job landscape. We also discussed the ethical considerations surrounding AI implementation, highlighting the moral responsibility of companies to support their workforce during this transition. As we look to the future, it's clear that preparing for the workforce of tomorrow is crucial. Embracing continuous learning and fostering a culture of adaptability will empower individuals to thrive in an AI-driven world. The dialogue around balancing technology and human employment is vital for ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably across society. If you found this discussion insightful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and its implications. Like this video to show your support, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities that AI presents in the job market. Thank you for watching.